Hello, I'm Marcus Brown, President of MEIKO US, with a very important message about the evolving coronavirus situation. We want you to know that your health and safety is very, very important to us. And we are available and accessible to support your needs. We've recently reorganized MEIKO US according to recommendations of US healthcare professionals. This will enable us to remain in the best possible position to provide you with continuous support throughout this changing environment. But our message could not be clearer. We are there for you 24/7. As members of the food service industry, we know that clean dishes and cutlery are critical factors in reducing and preventing the spread of disease. Restaurants must be able to wash their wares in a safe, sanitary way. We are very pleased to report that Virologist Dr. Friedrich von Rheinbaben, HygCen, has recently confirmed that process conditions combined with the disinfectant cleaning of MEIKO warewashing technology completely eliminated coronavirus in one wash cycle in most MEIKO dishwashers. MEIKO dishwashers are highly effective against envelope-type viruses. Based on research, if you use a MEIKO dishwashing machine along with the correct procedures recommended by the World Health Organization, MEIKO can assure that with the coronavirus, your wares will be sanitized to a level that renders the virus harmless. For more information about MEIKO disinfection technology as it relates to virus elimination and protection, please visit meiko.us. Thank you and stay healthy.